Hello and welcome. Okay, welcome to a new episode of Learn with Tin. This is still the Determiner series, but this one is a very special episode since we are not going to talk about the kinds of determiners today. However, we are going to differentiate determiners from pronouns. But before I go deeper into this topic, I want to say hello and how are you? I I am hoping and wishing that all of us can cooperate with the government so we can survive this pandemic um, sooner than later. Yeah, of course, all of us want to go back to our daily routine, to the life that we have known for the longest time, right? So I'm hoping and wishing for your cooperation. Please stay indoors. Yeah. Don't do unnecessary things that would put yourself in danger, that would put other people in danger, especially your family, your friends who are close to you, in physical contact with you. Thank you. Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and talk about differences between determiners and pronouns. Okay, so as you all know, and maybe have already noticed, that determiners are so similar with pronouns. A lot of determiners are similar with pronouns. You're not wrong. They are similar. And most, in some cases, they are the same. But before we talk about that, let's see what determiners are. Okay, determiners, again, they come at the beginning of a noun phrase. They determine a noun phrase. Okay, they point out what is a noun phrase. Okay, pronouns. Okay, pronouns, we already learned what pronouns are. Yeah, pronouns, they are subclasses of nouns. They replace the noun in a sentence, right? But we have one kind of pronoun which is called the interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, what, whose, which we have seen before in our interrogative determiner. They're the same, right? Same words. Okay. I want you to know that many determiners are also pronouns. They are determiners at the same time pronouns. They are pronouns at the same time determiners too. But let's understand the difference some more. A determiner cannot exist alone. All right. So a determiner cannot be just a determiner. It needs a noun phrase. It needs a noun with it. Let's take a look at this example. Those classic songs. So we cannot say those were great. Okay. This is not a determiner if we say those were great. We need to have this noun phrase here, classic songs, to be able to say that the word those is actually a determiner because those determines the classic song. Which ones? The classic songs. It is the classic songs that we are talking about. Okay. My car is the big one. My car. Okay. We say my is the big one. It's not. It's not. Okay. It doesn't make any sense if you say my is the big one. A noun should be there. A noun phrase has to be there after the word determiner or after a determiner. Okay, as for pronoun, the pronoun takes the place of a whole noun phrase, meaning to say the pronoun can stand by itself. For example, those were great classic songs. We don't need a noun here after the word those. We don't need to put noun here, okay, to make this a pronoun. So it can be just those were great. Classic song. So no need for a noun immediately after the word those. We can just say those were great and we already know. Okay, and it is already a pronoun. Those were great. Okay. Mine is the big one. So notice the difference. Determiner is my and pronoun is mine. Okay. Note that one. Determiners and pronouns are exactly the same word, like either and either. Both are determiner and pronoun. Determiners are close but not exactly the same with pronoun as for this example. My is a determiner and mine is a pronoun, right? So I want you to take a look at this examples here. We have exactly what are the demonstratives determiners? What are the demonstrative pronouns? They are the same. What are the quantifiers determiners? What are the quantifiers pronouns? They are the same. What are the determiners? Let's see here. Determiners possessives. Okay. See, they're different. My, his, etc. Mine, his, etc. Interrogative, they're the same, right? So there are words that are the same. It can be both a determiner and a pronoun. There are words that are not the same, especially for possessives. Okay, possessives are different. My, mine. Okay. Determiner, my. Pronoun, mine. Okay. Possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Let's try to dig deeper. Let's go deeper into it. So we have my, mine for pronouns, your determiners, yours pronouns. Okay. In terms of his, her, its, they're the same. So our is a determiner while ours is pronoun, their and theirs. Okay, so that's, I think it's quite easy to remember if you would try to memorize. Again, I wanted to say that the main difference is this. Just go back to this rule here, this page here. Okay, a determiner cannot exist alone. It cannot be by itself. A determiner needs a noun always. A determiner has to be with a noun always, while a pronoun doesn't need a noun beside it to become it. Okay, to become that word. So those classic songs, my car, those, mine, they stand by themselves rather. Okay. I hope that's clear, but if it's still not clear, okay, just leave your comment down below. Ask me directly. You can see other English materials at English Live on Facebook, at English Live Facebook page. Yeah, you can message these Facebook accounts and page, Facebook account rather, and Facebook page. You can message both or you can message either one, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. So thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay indoors, keep your family safe by limiting